Hello everyone. I wanted to show you all the different options that may or may not come with your AirDock today and how they all work together. Every AirDock should come with the actual charger, a USB cord, and then the USB power supply. And when you go to plug your AirDock in, there's the USB in right here on the bottom, and then you want to use the 2.1 amp socket on the USB power supply. Now, there are a couple different mounts that we have available. This short suction cup mount, the CD player mount, and this long bendable mount. When you go to mount your AirDock on the different mounts, take the nut that comes on the back of it off, slip it onto whichever mount you want to use, or whichever mount you have, and then you take this ball and you have to snap it into this socket. That allows it to move around, and then you can tighten this nut down once you get it to the angle that you want. Tighten the nut down and then it holds. Now the different mounts, you can choose which one you want. You can choose one, two, or all three of them. You can try them out. This one, this short suction cup, comes with a sticky surface on the actual suction cup. Just peel off this protective film, and then this can be used on any smooth surface, any glass or hard plastic, or it can also be used on slightly textured or slightly curved surfaces, allowing it to be used on some dashboards or other surfaces like that. The CD player mount right here goes in the slot for your CD player, and you turn this bolt, it spreads these flanges, and then it clamps inside the CD player. This longer mount, the arm is somewhat flexible. You can bend it to whatever angle you want. The suction cup does not have the sticky film on it, so this needs to be used on hard, flat, smooth surfaces like your windshield. Now let's talk about the microsuction foam. On the face of the dock there is a protective film, so you just need to get your fingernail underneath the edge of that and peel that off. That'll reveal the microsuction foam face. When it's new and clean like this, it's really strong. If you have a very glossy phone or case, it'll stick really well for the first little while. Give it a few days, use it for a little bit, and it'll kind of wear in. It'll lose that really strong hold, and it'll be just about perfect. If it gets too dirty or too old, you can always take a damp cloth and wipe it clean, and it'll bring back that like new performance. Now let's talk about getting different phones to stick well to the AirDock. There are a lot of different phones. They have different backs on them. They have different cases that can be used on them. So in order to make every phone compatible with the AirDock, we've supplied this sticker. It has 4 pieces of metal in it, and you can use this sticker to help make your phone stick a little better. Right here we've got a Galaxy S4. The Galaxy S4 actually sticks quite well to the AirDock because it has a very smooth back. But if it's not holding quite as well as you want, you can take the sticker and you can apply it on the inside of the back cover. We've put a white one in here. That gives you a few pieces of metal for the magnets to hold to, and allows it to hold your phone even better. If you have a case that you're using for your phone that is more of the smooth satiny finish, that doesn't stick very well to the microsuction foam. So you can take the sticker and you can put it on the back side of the case, and then your phone will stick very well to the AirDock. So between the sticker and the different cases and different phones, you should be able to find a combination that'll work well. You can certainly try your phone on the dock first to see if it sticks well. If it doesn't, you can add in a sticker. We'll have these available on the website to buy if you need an extra 1 or 2. Now let's talk about the Galaxy phones and the wireless receiver that is necessary to use them on the AirDock. None of the Galaxy phones have a wireless charging receiver built into them, so you need an aftermarket one. We sell them on the website. Right here you can see the one we have on the S4. So it's just this little device here. It's really thin, fits underneath the back cover over the top of the battery. You just take these 2 little metal contacts, hook them on the ones on the phone, and then you stick it down. It has some adhesive on the back of it, so it sticks there to the battery. What you want to note is the location of that receiver. You want it to match up with the sticker. If you use a sticker on the inside of the case or on the outside of the phone or wherever, because it all needs to be centered on the dock. You want this receiver to be centered on the AirDock. So once you get your sticker and your receiver in there, you snap your back cover back on, And this S4 is going to hold really well to the air dock now because it's got the glossy back, and then it's also got that sticker in there, so it has some of the magnetic pull. And then when you place it on the dock, you just want to make sure that the receiver that's in there is centered on it. If it's not centered just right, it won't charge as well. So you always want to make sure that you know right where your phone should go to center the receiver on the air dock. If you have any additional questions, you can contact us with the form on our website at theairdock.com.